Hi guys, in this short video I'm going to tell you that how you can easily make someone admin in WhatsApp group in Android. It is quite simple and easy, but before starting the video make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So first of all, open WhatsApp application. Now tap and select the group in which you want to make someone group admin. Now tap on group name at top. Now scroll down. Now you'll see the members in your group. Tap and select the person you want to make a group admin. Now tap on Make Group Admin. After selecting this option, the person will now have admin right in the group. That's how you can easily make someone admin in WhatsApp group. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.